snatch, snatch. He snatched the phone from my hand. Someone snatched her purse and ran away. Puke, puke. I puked all over my shoes. If I eat more, I will puke. Scrub, scrub. Scrub the floor, it's really dirty. He is scrubbing the bathroom tiles. Shiver, shiver. I am shivering. Can you close the window? I was shivering even under a blanket. Sob, sob. Stop sobbing and tell me what happened. He was sobbing uncontrollably at the funeral. Bark, bark. The dog is barking loudly at the mailman. Why is the dog barking so much? Drip, drip. Water is dripping from the tap again. Water is dripping from the ceiling. Spill, spill. Sorry, I spilled some water. Don't spill anything on the couch. Pat, pat. Mom patted my shoulder and said nothing. He kept patting my back to comfort me. Squeeze, squeeze. He squeezed some lemon into his tea. Squeeze the sponge to get the water out. Knead, knead. Mom is kneading the dough for pizza. Knead the dough until it feels soft and smooth. tremble, tremble. His whole body was trembling with fear. The dog was trembling under the bed. Scold, scold. Mom scolded me for not doing my homework. He scolded me in front of everyone. Yawn, yawn. I always yawn when I am really tired. I can't stop yawning. I need some coffee. Knock, knock. Please knock before entering my room. Someone is knocking at the door. Trip, trip. I tripped over the carpet and almost fell. Be careful, or you might trip on the stairs. Sniff, sniff. He sniffed the flowers in the garden. She was sniffing the coffee to enjoy the aroma. Rub, rub. He is rubbing lotion on his hands. Don't rub your eyes after touching the paint. Shake, shake. I shook the bottle before opening it. I was shaking my leg because I was nervous. Shrug, shrug. He shrugged his shoulders and walked away. I don't know the answer, so I just shrugged. Collide, collide. Two trucks collided on the highway yesterday. The buses collided at the busy intersection. Gargle, gargle. I usually gargle with salt water. The doctor told me to gargle 3 times a day. Pinch. Pinch. Don't pinch me, it hurts. He pinched my arm to get my attention. Peel. Peel. Peel the apple and cut it into small slices. Please peel the garlic before cooking. Pile. Pile. Don't pile dirty clothes on the floor. There's a pile of dirty dishes in the sink. Shrink. Shrink. Don't put that shirt in hot water, it will shrink. My sweater shrunk in the wash. Chop. Chop. I am chopping vegetables for the salad. He chopped the carrots into small pieces. Pour. Pour. Can you pour me a glass of water? Don't pour too much sauce on your pasta. Stir. Stir. Please stir the soup so it doesn't stick. Stir the tea gently so it doesn't spill. Carry. Carry. I can't carry all these bags alone. Can you carry this box up the stairs? Flip. Flip. Flip the pancake before it burns on one side. Flip the card and check the answer. Furious. Furious. Mom was furious when I came home late. I am absolutely furious right now. Delighted. Delighted. He was absolutely delighted with his gift. I am absolutely delighted with the final results. Dejected. Dejected. He looked dejected after losing the match. He looked dejected when he failed the exam. Scared. Scared. Don't be scared, it's just a movie. I am really scared of walking alone at night.